सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।
The Congress party, when we struck Pakistan during Balakot, they attacked our forces. They said we hit trees. When our forces show proof of how we hit Pakistan during Operation Sindoor, they again have major issues. The Congress party has a history and prehistory of questioning the Indian armed forces. Listen to the latest comment that were made by the unbelievably banal Renuka Chaudhary. Let's debate.
During Operation Sindoor, it was the forces who briefed the nation. With clarity, with conviction, and with straight-up facts. But today, a Congress MP says the army was pressurized to speak. A stunning, baseless allegation aimed straight at the uniform. And then she makes it worse. A clarification that further questions our forces.
मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि किसी ABC ने उनको प्रेशर करा। मैंने कहा आर्मी को कभी मीडिया के सामने आना भी नहीं है। वो हमारे शान है और हम वो कुर्बान होते हैं अपने देश के लिए, शहीद बन जाते हैं और वो इस देश का रीढ़ के हड्डी है। तो उनसे प्लीज खिलवाड़ मत कीजिए। ऐसे मैं स्टेटमेंट्स इस मुद्दे पे बोलना भी नहीं चाहती हूँ। मैं कह रही हूँ कोई भी प्रेशर नहीं करना और नहीं कर सकते। ये अलग तरीका है कि लोग आके मीडिया में स्टेटमेंट्स दे रहे हैं, गलत बात है।
Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary's remark has sparked a full-blown political storm. A direct hit on the forces. A charge that has triggered national outrage. This isn't a one-off. Congress has built a pattern. Look at the record. Not one comment, but an entire list. Congress leaders questioning strikes, doubting the forces, insulting army chiefs, even alleging control over Jawans. From Rahul Gandhi to Kharge to state leaders, the Congress ecosystem has repeatedly targeted the forces. From caste taunts to surgical strike denial to mocking Rafales to calling the army chief Sarak Ka Gunda. This is the mindset Renuka's remark fits into. This isn't a slip, it's a pattern. A decade of Congress punching down at the forces, mocking, questioning, belittling the men who defend our borders.
मतलब कि एक तो वो कह रही है पाकिस्तान को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमारे सेना के जवान जवाब नहीं दे पाए। दूसरा वो ये कह रही है कि हमारे आर्मी जनरल्स और आर्मी के जो बड़े अधिकारी हैं उन पर जुल्म किया जा रहा है। मतलब कि किस हद तक जाएंगे कांग्रेस पार्टी सेना के मनोबल को तोड़ने। इस सड़क का गुंडा बोलते हैं सेना को। ये सेना विरोधी है, इस संविधान विरोधी है।
Armed forces are the one institution Indians trust above all else. Much more than the Congress, now rejected in 95 elections in 10 years.
We have Akhil Swami and Ratnakar Tripathi, Major Samarpal Tour is there. Simple question. Congress party is saying that army people are coming out and saying that they are being pressurized to speak in support of the government. So in Sena, it's a very big thing to say, no? That army people are coming out and saying that they are being pressurized to speak in support of the government.
Can I come in?
Yeah, Tohin, you can come in, then I'll get a response. Yeah.
Arnab, the problem with this contemporary Congress party is that it seems to be allergic to a strong, successful Indian army.
Yeah.
When our DGMOs gave out a list of 12 PAF air bases which had been destroyed during Operation Sindoor, did you see them celebrating? They never celebrated, but instead they kept questioning about the imagined losses on our side ad nauseum, to the extent that it almost seemed that they had been tasked to find out this information from the enemy. This attitude of the present-day Congress party is extremely morbid, it is unhealthy, and of course Rahul Gandhi has gone to the extent of saying that 5% of the people in our country controls the army, which clearly is an insinuation aimed at stoking caste divisions within the army. So this Congress party has sinister mindset when it comes to national security, when it comes to our armed forces, and the behavior of Renuka Chaudhary is an extension
Well, she's a political
of the mindset
has-been.
of Rahul Gandhi.
She's a political has-been. But I want to know, let's start with Akhil Swami. First of all, no Indian Army serving officer or retired officer has said that they are being pressurized to speak in support of the government. Right? The Indian Armed Forces only speak in support of the nation, right? And not that of any government. Right? So Renuka Chaudhary or Congress party has no right to put arbitrary gag orders on army leaders. Today we have all the GOCs who are speaking freely. They have Twitter handles. And the army policy empowers commanding officers for media briefings on non-sensitive matters, balancing security with a public right to know. So I want to know that if you're saying this, you have to give me proof on my program right now that this person has said this. Right, Samar? These Congress leaders cannot shoot and scoot. If they are saying it, then I want to know which army officer has said that they are being pressurized to speak in support of the government.
Maybe what they did with Lieutenant Colonel Rajpurohit,
the nation wants
probably
to know.
that can make sense.
The nation wants to know.
But otherwise,
is it
I
by
doubt.
chance? Why he is speaking then? See, the nation wants to know. When Mr. Donald Trump says 62 times that the peace was brought in by him, why don't we get an answer from our Prime Minister, number one? Number two, Indo-American joint team of 12 members is saying that it was a incursion, it was not a attack from Pakistan, and in Operation Sindoor, why don't we get a clarification from the Prime Minister?
Go take a briefing from Islamabad then.
Number
Go
three,
take a briefing from Islamabad.
the defense attaché.
Well said, Samar. Well said.
Outside, he goes away from the
I am
country
giving
and
you
says,
due respect, sir,
we were
because of your
initially under
age.
pressure from the government of
Please
India.
talk sense.
That is why we suffered losses. Then we changed and then ceasefire was declared by Prime Minister of India.
Sir, मेरा मुंह मत
The nation
खवाइए.
wants to know
The
why
Gandhi family,
ceasefire was
the
brought in.
Gandhi family sent the Indian
we were
army
winning, why
into
the
Sri
ceasefire
Lanka
was brought
without
in.
any preparation.
3
You
दिन
are
के अंदर
responsible
मेरी
for the
सेना
murder
को क्यों
of every
उठाया
and
गया?
each army
मेरी सेना जीत
soldier
रही थी.
who passed away
Why
in Sri
Modi
Lanka.
doesn't learn from Indira Gandhi?
पहले राजीव गांधी
Why
कहते
Mr.
हैं
Modi
एलटीटी
doesn't
को
learn
ट्रेनिंग
from Indira
कराओ,
Gandhi?
उसके बाद कहते हैं एलटीटी को मारो. Is it a
डरपोक प्राइम
joke?
मिनिस्टर है. डरपोक प्राइम
Your
मिनिस्टर है.
party has been a joke
We
when it
want
comes
a
to
prime
handling
minister like
the
Indira Gandhi.
military. The kind of
लाल बहादुर
scams that you
शास्त्री
have
इंदिरा गांधी
done.
जैसा
Shame on
प्राइम
you.
मिनिस्टर चाहिए.
The
डरपोक
other
प्राइम मिनिस्टर
land
नहीं
scam.
चाहिए देश को.
Look at the
डरपोक
Bofors
प्राइम मिनिस्टर
scam,
नहीं चाहिए देश को.
bed chopper scam.
दिल्ली के अंदर
मतलब
ब्लास्ट होता
एक
है.
बेशर्मी की हद
पाकिस्तान
होती
कहता
है.
है ब्लास्ट उसने कराया है.
You
नहीं अटैक
pressurize
कर रहा है पाकिस्तान.
General V.K.
डरपोक है ये
Singh
लोग.
to
ये लोग
buy the
डरपोक.
Tatra trucks at
They
a
are
high
cowards.
rate.
They are
And when he
cowards.
refused, you started playing dirty with his age. You are a party which cannot be trusted anymore. You want
पाकिस्तान
answers?
अटैक क्यों नहीं
You
किया
want
आपने लाल
answers?
रेड फोर्ट के
Go
अटैक
to
के बाद?
Islamabad.
रेड फोर्ट
Go to
के-
Islamabad and
बिरयानी
get
खाने कौन
answers.
गया था?
हमारी तरफ से
बिरयानी खाने
बोरिया
कौन गया
बिस्तरा
था?
लो और
बिरयानी
इस्लामाबाद
खाने
जाके
कौन गया
बैठो.
था? मनमोहन सिंह गए थे. कौन गया
It
था
was
बिरयानी खाने?
अटल
कौन
बिहारी
बिरयानी
वाजपेयी
खाने
गए थे और फिर धोखा हुआ था.
अरे अटल
आपको
जी
पता है
धोखेबाज
कारगिल
थे.
क्यों हुआ?
मोदी जी भी
कारगिल
धोखेबाज
इसलिए
हैं.
हुआ
बिरयानी क्यों खाई आपने?
because Congress party kept sleeping. Army
कौन
kept
नमक खाया आपने
informing.
पाकिस्तान का?
Army kept reporting,
क्यों
giving
पाकिस्तान का
situational
नमक खाया
reports and updates. कि
आपने
ये सब हो
पाकिस्तान का
रहा
नमक क्यों
है.
खाया?
आप प्लीज टेक अ स्टेप. डिप्लोमेटिकली
आपने
कुछ करो.
पाकिस्तान की
नहीं.
बिरयानी क्यों खाई?
You were busy taking money
आपने
for the
बिरयानी
Herald.
पाकिस्तान
Well,
की-
Herald's case हुआ है.
well, he's just
आपने
amusing.
किसी राष्ट्रपति को झूला क्यों झुलाया?
Also viewers, thank you very much. Thank you. Akhil Swami, after a point it becomes difficult to hear you. To say that army officers are being forced to take a pro-government line. This is coming from a party which called late General Rawat a Sadak ka Gunda. This party has tried to provoke a divide in the forces. In May 2024, Rahul Gandhi said, "Do tarah ke jawan बना दिए गए हैं। दलितों का, आदिवासियों का, पिछड़ों का, गरीब जनरल कास्ट परिवारों का, माइनॉरिटी का बेटा होगा। He has done Hindu Muslim even within the army. Now either he's a fool.
मैं बताता हूं
no, but he has done that to him. Now my point is to him, you and you. But now the Congress party is openly dragging the army in, and I think we are. Once अभी तो हम जवाब देंगे आपको।
बिरयानी खाने क्यों गए?
अरे आपको कौन खिला रहा है? आपको कौन खिला रहा है? आप तो यू आर अफजल गुरु फैन।
अरे अपने
आप तो अफजल गुरु के फैन हो, याकूब मेमन के फैन हो, दाऊद इब्राहिम के फैन हो।
नहीं क्या बात
बिरयानी खाने क्यों गए?
पैसे क्यों लिए फिर?
अपनी जान पर खेलकर, अपनी जान पर खेलकर एक लास्ट मौका दिया था प्रधानमंत्री ने पाकिस्तान को, और जब पाकिस्तान नहीं सुधरा तो पाकिस्तान की क्या हालत की है हमने वो भी आपने देखा है। देखिए, स्वामी जी राहुल गांधी के पक्के सपोर्टर हैं। कोई पक्का सपोर्टर ही प्रधानमंत्री को इस तरह से डरपोक कह सकता है। कोई इंटेलिजेंट आदमी नहीं कह सकता है। सबको पता है पिछले 8 वर्षों में वी हैव शोन पाकिस्तान इट्स प्लेस। टुडे पाकिस्तान इज स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर सर्वाइवल ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द FATF sanctions which we got them imposed, which we had imposed upon them, which we convinced the world to impose upon them in 2018. We have broken the backbone of this Pakistan, and on top of it, you have people like Swamiji and you have people like Rahul Gandhi who keep giving cushion to Pakistan and keep believing that Pakistan is capable of fighting us.
No, which army officer? See, today I'm getting a lot of people calling in saying, which army officer is being forced to speak in favor of the government? Name one. Name one or apologize. You name one, you have to give the evidence. You can't, your party leaders cannot make statements during a parliament session and not expect us to ask for proof.
अगर मुझे नहीं बोलने देंगे मैं चुप हो जाऊंगा।
नहीं, आप कंप्लेन मत कीजिए। आपको बोलने देते, आप ही डीके शिवकुमार और सिद्धरामैया को बोलने नहीं देते। Your party has a lot of issues.
आप एडवर्टाइज करते रह गए संचार सारथी। आप इस डिबेट में यही कर रहे हैं कि बैठ के खाली गाली दे रहे हैं। आपको बोल रहा है,
आपने से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटी कहा। आपके खरगे ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को छुटपुट वॉर कहा। आपके पवन खेरा ने कहा सिंदूर का सौदा। आपके अजय राय ने रफाल का मजाक उड़ाया। आपके चन्नी ने हर बार गलत बात कही। आपके चिदम्बरम ने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स की प्रूफ मांगी। आपके दिग्विजय सिंह ये सबूत गैंग के नंबर 1 लीडर है और सुनना चाहेंगे? सुनाओ। Now tell me which army officer said that he or she is being forced to speak in favor of the government. That's all I want. I want nothing else. Samar, I want nothing else. I just want him to give me the name. Or I want him to say that they have lied once again. Just I want him to give him the name. That's all.
Nation wants to know.
I think
please stop your biryani nonsense. If you don't have anything to talk, then don't waste the time.
Everyone on.
बिरयानी क्यों खाई? टैटू करा लो माथे पे और बैठ जाओ स्क्रीन के सामने।
अरे बिरयानी मोदी जी खाई, मैं क्यों टैटू?
अपने माथे पे लिखवा के बैठ जाइए।
मोदी जी ने खाई, मैं क्यों टैटू करा?
I'm saying name the officer. I'm saying name the officer Ratnakar Tripathi. I'll give you one last chance. Name the officer.
Defense expert साहब.
Name the individual.
आप चुप रहेंगे तो बोलूंगा।
इनको चुप कराइए, आपके जो ये बैठे हुए हैं, एक अखिल स्वामी या
सफेद बाल वाले।
नहीं, वो आपके चैनल पे उधर से आए हैं। वो जो बिरयानी वाली बात कह रहे हैं सरकार ने, स्वतंत्र भारत।
Anyway, you're not answering my question, Ratnakar Tripathi. That's not fair.
पहली बार
I told you to name a person. I don't want to do this. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Obsessed with biryani.
You're positively not.
What a disgrace, Arnab. What a disgrace.
You think I let you get away by laughing on an issue on which you dragged the armed forces into this kind of a matter? And try to say that army officers are being forced to speak for the government of India? Make statements which will get quoted in the international media? I will hold you to account. I'll hold you to account. आपको मैं accountable बनाऊंगा. I will hold you to account or you apologize for what Renuka Chaudhary said. Ladies and gentlemen, when I'm back, why this country is politics and society is being divided between two groups and should be. In India, you can have only two sides. You're either pro-infiltrator or anti-infiltrator. We'll debate that when I'm back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।